Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to take your everyday makeup look or just a simple natural makeup look and make it perfect for nighttime. So if you have a party or an event or anything that you have to go to where it's at nighttime and your makeup needs to be a little bit more dramatic, this video will definitely help you guys out with that. And I'm also using this BH Cosmetics palette, and I've never tried anything from BH Cosmetics before, and I actually end up really liking this palette. It's perfect for this kind of a thing, taking your natural makeup, making it darker, and yeah, so actually the formula in these eyeshadows are super nice and they blend really well. I actually really love this palette. So yeah. So I hope you guys like this video and let's get started. Start out by using this Maybelline BB Cream, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face, and this is usually what I use every day, so that's what I'm going to use for the day makeup. Next I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And then I'm going to use my Amazonia Clay Brow Mousse from Tarte. Next I'm going to use this Revlon Photo Ready powder to set my face. So for the eye look today, we're going to do day to night. So we're going to use the same palette for the day to night makeup look. And this is the BH Cosmetics Neutral Eyes 28 color eyeshadow palette. And I've never used anything from BH Cosmetics, so I'm excited to see how this is. The colors in here are very, very pretty. So the colors in here are super pretty. So for the day makeup, I don't want it to be too heavy, just more light, neutral. We'll darken it up later. There's no colors on this or anything, so I'm gonna go into this matte off-white shade right here and apply that all over my lids. Next I'm gonna go into this color right here, which is just like a light yellowy tan kind of color, and apply that into my crease. Next I'm going into this shade right here next to the pink one, and it's just a little bit of a darker brown. I'm going to focus that towards the outer corners of my eyes and into my crease. So these eyeshadows so far do blend out pretty nicely, but I do wish that the pigmentation was a little bit better. Next I'm just going to go into this brown right here. If this is a good enough natural makeup look for you, then you can stick with this, but I just want to deep mine up a little bit more. I'm just going to go into this shimmery pink color up here and apply this to my lids. And then I'm just going to go back into this brown shade all the way over here and apply that to my lower lash line. Add this shimmery white shade and apply that to my inner corners and also to my brow bone. Now I'm just going to use some liquid liner. This one is from NYX, and I'm just going to do a classic simple wing. So our wings are done, and I'm just going to finish this up with some mascara. Now I'm going to be using the Tarte Park Avenue Princess contouring palette. Going to go into the shade Carrot right here and bronze up my face. And then I'm going to use the Urban Decay Afterglow palette for my blush and highlight. I'm going to use the shade Peroxide right here as my blush. Then the shade Bliss for my highlight. For lips, I'm just going to use this lip gloss from Sephora. This is in the shade Earth Angel, and it's just a very pretty nude lip gloss, which is perfect for the daytime. This is the finished daytime makeup look. Super natural, super quick and easy, perfect for every day. You could always leave out the wings. Those are kind of time consuming. But other than that, this is a pretty simple, quick and easy makeup look that would be perfect for every day. Especially in the summertime, it's super light. BB cream isn't too heavy. Okay, so let's get started with the nighttime look. So for the nighttime look, we are going to go back into our eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to be using the same eyeshadow palette from before. I'm going to go in with a Morphe M330 brush, and we're going to just deepen up this eye look. I'm going to go back into the brown from earlier and just add more of that to the crease. Next I'm going to go into this black color, and I'm going to really deepen this up. I'm going to also go into this dark purpley shade up here and just apply this. I'm going to add this deeper pink shade, apply that to the more inner half of my lids. Then I'm going to add some of that same shade from up here to my lower lash line. Back into the same shimmery white shade from before that we used during the day, and reapply that to my inner corners and to my brow bone. I'm going to use my Tarte eyeliner to line my waterline to help make this look darker for the nighttime. Now I'm going to apply these Ardell Lashes. You could have also applied lashes during the day, because why not? But I just chose not to today. Otherwise, I actually do wear lashes during the day. It's not just a nighttime thing. But yeah, but you could have just done more natural lashes or full out, whatever you were feeling like. But we're gonna definitely apply some lashes now, because it's really important to just deepen up our eyes, and that will just make such a big difference from day to night. You can also touch up your winged liner if you have to. Now I'm also going to go back into the Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette, and I'm just going to deepen up my contour to help bronze up my face even more. And then I'm also going to deepen up my blush and Kylie Cosmetics French Vanilla Highlight to make my highlight pop a little bit more. So I took off my lip gloss from during the day, and now we're going to finish this look up by applying some sort of a lip product. For lips, I'm going to use the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Stone. Liquid lipsticks are great for nighttime because if you're out eating, they just last a lot longer than a regular lipstick or a lip gloss. You can also use a liquid lipstick during the day. They do last a lot longer, so they're really nice. So this is the finished nighttime look. It's a lot more smoky and dark and dramatic, which is good because it's for nighttime. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And you can click the bell button when you subscribe. It's right next to it, so you're notified when I upload every single new video. And you guys can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, which will all be linked down below in the description, along with all of the products that I used in today's video. And yeah, so it just shows you guys how quick and easy it can be to take your regular day makeup look and make it super dark and dramatic for nighttime, or if you have an event or anything to go to. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!